In this video, I'll show you how to write and publish a blog on Podia. So first, make sure you are logged into podia.com, and then on the dashboard, navigate the blog section, and then you will see there the new post option. Click on that and then start writing your blog now. So in here, you can enter a title for your blog post. In the provided field, you can choose something engaging and relevant to your audience. And then in the content editor, you can now begin writing your blog post. You can use headings, bullet points, and short paragraphs to keep it organized and easy to read. And after that, as you can see on the summary, on the publish date, you can customize when should it be published. And then for the details, you can add a featured image, a excerpt, a comment, a categories. And for the SEO, you can set a SEO title in here, and then you can also add a description, a social image. It's up to you. So once everything's set up, you can click the publish button beside the save button and wait for it to load up. And as you can see in here, your blog has been published. And that's it. That's how to write a blog on Podia. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.